fans, it's me, Kenny Doctor Who. You've all heard of my Sonic screwdrivers. I've done a review on them. Now I have a classic series Sonic screwdriver. So, it's got a circle round, yeah, and then it's got silver, red, and then it has yellow and black stripes. Silver, black, silver, black, stripe, black, and then silver, black, silver, and then that's what the speaker is. Now let's hear the sound. Yeah, this was made by Cards Options. If you've seen the figure reviews, you would know who they are. Yeah. This was used by John Pertwee, the Third Doctor, Tom Baker, the Fourth Doctor, Peter Davison, the Fifth Doctor, and that's all the Doctors who's used this one Sonic. So yeah. Anyway, Kenny scored over and out. Peace. Woo!